All right, guys, thanks for watching these darn little videos, okay, on my YouTube channel. Or maybe I'm emailing you and inviting you to click a link, or you see my posts on Facebook. I just like to post about Live Good every day. All right, I always have an hour or two. I make time, but I also like to watch Landman, Tulsa King. Oh my gosh, maybe sneak in a movie like, is it Sicario? All right, I'm a big fan of Taylor Sheridan. Everything he writes seems to be cool, from Wind River right down to Yellowstone. But you got to have a life. You got to have some fun. Relax. You got to raise your kids. Go to work. All right, maybe mow the lawn. Maybe brush your teeth. There's things you got to do. But you can't just slave to the grind about, you got to just grind. And when you get up, hurry and make a post. All right, when you're I don't know, go in the bathroom. Instead of wiping your butt, just sit there for 20 minutes and do something creative. So when you stand up, you have a ring around your butt for like 6 hours from your toilet seat. I mean, everyone's like, they make it sound so dire. Like, oh, grind and bump and grind. And wasn't that a song by R. Kelly or something? I can't remember. But if I think of, I guess, promoting or creating something for Live Good, if I consider it grinding or work, I'm not going to want to do it. But if I can just sit here and turn my webcam on, turn my light on my face, all right? You can see that little circle in my glasses here. See, if I turn it off, I still look nice and creepy. But look, I look better creepy like this. Okay, and it looks like I have a curling iron or something. My hair just went a little whoop-de-dooey. But I never think of creating or posting anything about Live Good to work. And I know that there's an effort and you have to record. Maybe you have to make a thumbnail. You have to write an email. Okay? Or gosh forbid, you have to actually talk about it. Okay? But there's a lot of heavy lifting out there. There's some really manual labored jobs. You're outside, you're tired, you're on your feet, nursing, doctoring, rock starring. Man, there's some people right now just up on stage with millions of fans screaming at them. That's hard to do in spandex. Okay, and platform shoes. But I never consider anything related to promoting Live Good as really just heavy lifting and just agony. Okay, turn the webcam on, talk for like 10 minutes. Email. I know you can email. I am really good at emailing. As a matter of fact, I do over 100,000 emails per day. And all I do is write one email, make sure that whatever it says is just short and sweet, and that the link goes to where I want it to go. And then I go like this. And then I do crazy stuff. And then I hit send. Okay, and software sends out these emails organically every 24 hours. So why I am doing this, or sometimes I sleep, sometimes I have to like take a shower, and sometimes I brush my teeth. And while I'm doing that, I have emails just going out every few seconds. Okay? And I want you to do the same. It's cheap, $1 a day, $30. How much is Live Good? What's the investment, Cory? What is it? Is it a scam? Is everyone just making millions and running to the bank? Well, guys, it's only $10 a month. And it's $40 just one time to be an affiliate. So for $49.95, that's it. $40 never again. Even if you stop paying your $9.95 a month and you just want to take the summer off or maybe the winter off because you're a skiing maniac and snowmobiling. Okay? Just relax and know that if you do want to come back and just start paying $9.95 again, you're still an affiliate. You don't have to pay that $40. Isn't that awesome? Because I know in the summer, it's easy to just start dreaming of the beach. Kids might be out of school. There's that Disneyland trip or hiking, maybe going fishing. But do the best you can to post every day. And I'm realistic. Okay? I know that I can't post every single day, but I sure want to. But if I'm not around my computer and I'm down screwing off on a bike or a car, maybe producing a car show in the summer, I do the best I can to post. If I get back, I get behind my computer, okay? And just make it so much fun. Because you can even do it on this thing. Looks like a Pop-Tart, don't it? You can put it in your toaster. I don't recommend it. It might be the most expensive Pop-Tart shaped thing you've ever put in a toaster. But you can always do something that is pointing somebody to a link. Okay? And if you're out of ideas, you have no idea what to do, if you join me, I don't know if I want to call it a group or a team, but if you just want to join me, I like to talk to you like you're just an individual. I know that my videos talk to groups of people all over the world, but if you join me, I'm going to send you information what I do to really do well and live good. Okay? I get signups every week. Okay? And I've been doing this a year and a half, and I still get signups every week. Okay? You can see just here on my screen, this is live right now. You can see today is December 8th of 2024. I joined about March of 2023, and I started getting serious about Live Good around April of 2023. So over the last year and a half, I've learned a lot about human behavior, how to talk to people, how to post. Just to get, if you look on the right side of my little mini picture here of myself yakking, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can see I've had 6 signups. Okay? And that's awesome. You know, 6 signups in 7, 8 days, I'll take that. You can see I had 4 in a row. That's exciting. And do you see these numbers right here? These are individual clicks to my web page. So if you look at joincory.com, go ahead and put your name and email address in and just go through the Live Good website, which I'm going to show you here in a few minutes. And these clicks, you can see Thursday, a couple days ago, 466 clicks of someone going to maybe the products page, maybe the FAQ, and hopefully the pay plan page. And I'm going to show you that real quick, okay? Because I want you to do the best research you can, because I want you to join me. I want you to copy what I do. I want to take away the last year and a half of guesswork because I know what I'm doing right now. And I just want to offer you an email. And my advice, my training, my videos, they're all free, guys. I do like to use certain amounts of software to kick certain butt, okay? And I can show you a page here right when I wrap up this video what I'm talking about, okay? But anyway, let me just go ahead and bring my Facebook, or I'm sorry, not Facebook, my let me move my picture down. There we go. Let me show you my Live Good account. This is just my back page, and anyone can go to livegood.com and check out the products. But go ahead and just click my products and go through, obviously, all the products. See if there's something there you like. And if you do, just go ahead and buy. You can buy just normal price. If you want to be a member, it's only $10 a month. You got 3 months to get all your money back. You can't beat our prices because we are a wholesale-driven company. We make our money as affiliates on the membership side, all right? Because we like to sell everything wholesale. Take these products and sell them at your gym, on Amazon, out of the trunk of your car. Buy a hoodie if you want. Buy a little beanie cap if you're in Utah. It's going to be cold outside. Look, we have some T-shirts, and I bought all these hats and stuff to cover my big giant forehead, okay? But go ahead and look at the products, and then see right here it says FAQ right there. The little menu tab. Go ahead and click it. And I want you to click every single one of these questions and get real comfy at learning them, okay? Now go to the very bottom of your cell phone or website page. See where it says right there, pay plan. If your screen's bigger, it'll say affiliate pay plan, okay? Click it. Read the 7 ways we get paid on the membership side. But you know what? This is what I recommend. I wish this video was at the top. Okay, here is a great YouTube video that the company produced. It's awesome. Go ahead and just click it and watch. It explains exactly how we make moolah, okay? And it's good to make moolah. You guys know that. That's why you want to join this darn company, right? You want to have some good products in your guts. All right. Nothing wrong with being sexy, or I don't know, maybe your skin needs to feel a little better and look better. Maybe you got a little bit of chubs. You got some chubs going on. I didn't mean to go like that. That don't look good. But how about your belly? You got a little love handle action? All right. All of us probably needs more energy, lose some weight. Maybe you got that diabetes. Do you have, I don't know, high blood pressure? Who doesn't? Okay. It's so popular right now. I'm not even shocked if anybody gets any type of diabetes or blood pressure that's a little on the high side, okay? We have a lot of products that can help you in those areas, okay? We also have a free evaluation. I love to invite people to a free evaluation every day. You fill out well, it's on your computer screen. There's some questions from LiveGood's doctor. His name is Ryan Goodkin. He designs with his wife, Lisa, and our CEO, Ben, all of our products, okay? freehealthsurvey.com. Free assessment, free evaluation. After you take 3 or 4 minutes and fill it out, you're going to get in your email in a minute or two a nice evaluation from Dr. Ryan Goodkin, okay? He's going to tell you some certain things that you should probably do to correct or maintain or whatever it takes to kick ass in that old body that you were born with, okay? And if you're born in the 60s like me, I know that we have to eat like it's fuel, not food. We have to earn our health now and our energy, right? Okay, what do you need to do now? First, make a decision. Do you want to just look at the products? I hope you do, because if you enjoy them and you buy them, you're not going to be embarrassed to talk about Live Good and wear the hat, wear the shirt, or get a business card and just go, hey guys, join livegood.com. Go check it out. Okay, it seems to work for me. Just click that link, watch a little video. And if you want to join, get a hold of me. Or if you do join, I'll get an email and I'll send you a nice little email about what I do to kick ass and stuff, all the little things. Okay, I want you to email every day. I'll show you how. I even have 140 emails you can have for free and the subjects. I want you to get a business card, just like my little ones. Okay, just go to Vistaprint. If you don't have a printer, or if you just want to sit and design your own, there's over 10,000 designs. I just picked this red one with the little car. I like the white font, nice and simple, because it jumps off the card. You got to admit, if you saw this business card sitting, let's just say on a desk, that thing just jumps. All right, you can see that CoryDraper.com and joincory.com. All right, but do the best you can to just tell people to click something to watch something. Let all the videos do all the explaining. You do not have to do any videos like you're watching right now, where I have a webcam and I talk with my hands like this and my head goes like this. Okay, you don't have to do any of that. All right, just let all videos that are already produced do all the recruiting and all the selling and all the question answering, okay? You don't have to do this type of video, trust me, to be successful. Okay, guys, joincory.com, CoryDraper.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can email me, get a hold of me on Facebook, inbox. I'm more than happy to answer any questions you might have, okay? All right, thank you for the last 13 minutes. Unlucky 13. I think that number's kind of cool. So why don't I end the video with 13 minutes? And how about 15 seconds, okay? All right, guys, thanks for your time. And get a hold of me if you need something, okay? Take care, guys. Bye.